Hey, what's up, guys? This week's big hit. This was a deer that ran into the side of this Equinox. Pretty nasty damage there, starting from the back all the way to the front of the quarter panel. The whole line is pushed in. And so I'll start with this centipede tab here. This is a crease tab from Kiko. These are all interlocking tabs. You can snap them together and make pretty much any shape you want. Works pretty good. So you can see I just pull this out, getting it roughed out with the centipede tabs there. Trying to get as much of the damage out as possible with the glue pull. So I start knocking down the high areas, just trying to level all of the damage out, get everything flat again before I start pushing. So here I go through the tail lamp grommet hole on these Equinoxes. There's basically two areas you can get a rod in there. Unfortunately, a 3/8 rod is the only rod you can fit. So it was difficult to try to push this damage out since it's so far away. But we got her. Just start massaging the metal. All the low spots, I just start massaging them. I'm using an R4 tip there with a soft cherry end on it. And here I'm just trying to level out some of the damage again, using a little pencil knockdown. So things are looking pretty good. The top section is close. It's time to start working on the bottom section before I use any blending hammers or anything. Get that bottom worked out. Now, on the edge here, it was rolled in pretty far, and the glue that holds the inner to the outer panel is holding it in that lower section there, right there. So that spot was the worst spot to try to clean up since it was pinched together and that glue was holding it. But I did what I could with it. Ultimately turned out pretty good. And here I just go through and clean up a few spots that weren't related. And let's look at the damage one more time. And there we go. It's like a brand new car again. Thanks for watching the video. We'll catch you on the next one.